exploring the charm of Old World cooking. A journey through time and taste. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure as we explore the fascinating phrase, Old World cooking. This term is not just about food. It's a gateway into history, culture, and tradition. Let's dive in and savor the flavors of this expression. First, let's break down the term, Old World. In English, Old World refers to the cultures and traditions of Europe, especially before the modern era. It invokes images of rustic villages, traditional methods, and a simpler time. This phrase often carries a sense of nostalgia and respect for the past. Now, let's focus on the word cooking. Cooking, at its core, is the art of preparing food. But it's so much more than that. It's an expression of culture, a way of bringing people together, and a form of creative expression. In our context, cooking goes beyond the modern culinary arts to include ancient recipes, techniques, and flavors. Combining these concepts, Old World cooking refers to the traditional culinary practices of European countries. This style of cooking is characterized by time-honored recipes, natural ingredients, and simple, yet hearty flavors. It often involves techniques passed down through generations and emphasizes the importance of cooking from scratch. Old World cooking is steeped in history and culture. Each dish tells a story of the people and the era it comes from. This type of cooking often uses ingredients that are locally sourced and seasonally available, reflecting the connection between the land and its people. It's a way to experience and preserve the heritage and traditions of the Old World. To appreciate Old World cooking fully, it's helpful to contrast it with modern cooking. Modern cooking often focuses on innovation, fusion, and convenience. Old World cooking, on the other hand, is about tradition, simplicity, and a deep respect for the ingredients. This contrast highlights the unique charm and richness of Old World culinary traditions. I hope this journey through the flavors and stories of Old World cooking has been enlightening and enjoyable. This phrase is more than just about food. It's a celebration of history, culture, and the timeless art of cooking. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting English language learning content. Happy learning and happy cooking!